The Unihertz Tank 4 Pro is one of the trending rugged phones right now, and in this video I'll be comparing the device with the IIIF150 Raptor 5G. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro versus the IIIF150 Raptor 5G. Personally, the Tank 4 Pro is a much more better 5G rugged phone in my opinion, but of course it's much more expensive. It costs about $700. That's for the 18GB RAM and 1TB internal storage version. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.